Are you thinking about moving to Indiana, but you're not quite ready to trade in your business cards for bingo cards just yet? If you're really approaching the end of your career, or maybe you just want a simpler lifestyle, a 55 plus community in the greater Indianapolis area, it might be a perfect fit for you. And it's really not all about rocking chairs and shuffleboard because usually there's pickleball close by. It is all the rage nowadays. Hi, I'm Malinda Ennis, and my team and I help people relocate to Indiana from all over the country and even the world, and we would love to help you. So here's the thing to think about with a 55 plus community. They really aren't just for retirees. They're for anybody who wants less house to maintain and they want more community activities and enjoy, but they want to enjoy their hobbies, their lifestyle, or maybe they're working part-time in a consulting role. With a 55 plus community, you have a built-in social network surrounded by people who are in a similar life stage. So you have a real fast track to getting indoctrinated, moving into that community, and feeling at home in a much faster manner than in a non 55 plus community. Let's talk about some of the lifestyle benefits of a 55 plus community. They're going to offer you neighborhoods that take care of your lawn. They're going to take your snow removal for you. And they're going to take care of all of the exterior maintenance so that you can work to keep your weekends free to enjoy your activities that you like to do. So instead of shoveling snow in February, you can book a flight to somewhere sunny and gorgeous for the week or for the whole season, or you can stay put and enjoy the community, many of which have clubhouses with lots of activities. The community clubhouse can offer everything that might include an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, a fitness center, tennis courts, of course, pickleball, and you might even get a golf simulator. In the neighborhood close by, many of those communities will offer walking paths, nature, so that you can get out and enjoy. Whether you want to try on yoga on Tuesday or wine tasting on Thursday, a variety of social clubs really ensure that there's always something for you to do. It's basically like choose your own adventure for grown-ups, so you stay completely engaged in your community. One of my favorite recent relocation stories was a mother moving here from Chicago to be close to her daughter, her grandchildren, and her son in law. They wanted her to be close, and she wanted to be close too. And her goal was very, very clear from the beginning. She wanted to maintain her independence, but still have a short drive to be able to get to her grandchildren, help with school pickup, participate in family dinners, go to soccer games, all of the things that her family had as a priority for them, but still feel like she could be independent. She also wanted to make sure that she had top notch construction quality in the home that she was choosing. Ultimately, as we looked at both existing homes and new construction options, she chose to build with Epcon Communities. She had a fabulous experience. She enjoyed being able to select all of her finishes, working with the design center. The communication she felt like was top notch, and Epcon really delivered above and beyond on everything that she wanted in her home. So all she had to do once she finished the build was move in, unpack her boxes. She had a built-in community of neighbors who were at a similar stage in life, but she was also very close to family, which was super important to her in a new state and a new city. Around the greater Indianapolis area, you'll see really popular 55 plus developments in Carmel, where you'll be close to arts, restaurants, high-end shopping, and great healthcare facilities. You'll also see them on the northeast side of town in Fishers, Indiana, where you're going to have an active social calendar and again, nearby wonderful healthcare facilities. Go north and just west of Carmel to Westfield. They're going to be quieter field. They're going to be near Grant Park and of course, near Great Dining. And if you go further to the west and the south to Plainfield, you'll be really close to the airport for easy travel. And then don't forget Zionsville, where you're tucked away with nice charm, a really quaint downtown, and again, close by shopping. So regardless of where you want to live, there are really popular options for 55 plus communities throughout the greater Indianapolis area. Of course, you're thinking about what does it cost versus the value when you're moving to any state. And Indiana, compared to many others, offers lower property taxes and an affordable cost of living. Property taxes in Indiana generally tend to be based off of the assessed value of the land and the improvements on that land. And if you live there, Indiana offers what's called a homestead exemption, which means it keeps your property taxes at 1% of the assessed value of that total combined assessed value for your property. Now, with a 55 plus community, there are going to be homeowners association fees, and that homeowners association or HOA, it really helps to cover the upkeep for maintaining the lawn, maintaining the snow removal, and taking care of all of the amenities and activities that exist within the community. What are you going to pay for that? Well, they're going to range from $200 a month on the lower end to upwards of $400, sometimes $500 a month, depending upon the neighborhood and the number of activities. Regardless of which you choose, you can see that it is quite affordable to choose a 55 plus community and have the homeowners association to take care of all of the exterior maintenance and provide you with a fabulous lifestyle. When I work with relocating clients, we really like to look beyond the house itself because the house is just one part of your lifestyle. We want to help you understand what activities do you enjoy doing outside of your home? What is your tolerance level for drive times to family or to the grocery store, to restaurants? It's very important that we match your lifestyle and your daily activities, like maybe pickleball or picking the grandkids up from soccer practice, to where your home is. So that 55 plus community gives you an upgrade for your quality of life for your home, but we also want to make sure that it matches the quality of life outside of your home, which is really important. And that's just one example of how the right 55 plus community can make relocating to the greater Indianapolis feel effortless for you. If you decide that you'd like to pursue new construction in a 55 plus community, how do you go about deciding between builders like Epcon or Del Webb and Lennar's Osborne Trails? In part 2, I'm going to break down exactly what you can expect from each of these builders and the differences that can help you to make a great and informed decision. You can click right here to watch part 2 in the future. My team and I would love to be your agent of choice. You can find my contact information in the description below to book a call with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, and thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.